freaking love this guitar. I made this guitar in about a day and a half at the first East Durham Makers Camp with MakerMade CNC. I had a blast there, and I'm going to show you some film of me making this guitar at the show. I've said it a million times before, but anytime you see a product or a company sponsoring a video here, it is very heavily curated by me. I don't just take anybody here. They're all companies that I have a personal relationship with, and products I believe in, and companies I believe in. This video is no exception, and the people that make the MakerMade CNC are also no exception. I've said this a gazillion times too. This is not a $10,000 like large format CNC machine. This is a $500 large format CNC machine, and it is unfair to compare it to its brothers that cost literally 20 times as much. For what this machine costs, what it can do is far beyond anything that I ever expected of it. Chris and Pat and the rest of the crew of MakerMade CNC, they're constantly trying to make their product better, and they rely on the input of people like us. These guys are sharp, and they're going to figure it out. And also, there's this whole community of other like-minded people in their forums that share their stories and share their fixes and solutions. So there's a wealth of knowledge out there. The machine has the ability to do whatever you want it to do. MakerMade CNC has also gotten into making 3D printers. So we printed some guitar knobs at the show next to a CNC machine with sawdust in the air and everything, and they came out fine. While I made the body on the Maslow CNC, I used one of my DIY guitar kits that I sell at newperspectivesmusic.com. Again, TimSway15 at MakerMadeCNC.com to get 15% off plus free shipping, your own Maslow CNC or 3D printer or whatever else. And these are the kind of people that you want to shop from. They are the good guys. So check it out. Thanks, guys. Be good.